Custom filter. We've already taken a look at the power search bar and the pre-existing filter options. It's time to look at what else we can do with the custom filter. To open the custom filter menu, click on Custom Filter found at the bottom of the power search bar's drop-down filtration menu. This will open a slightly more detailed list of possible search and filtration parameters to choose from. We can search for specific terms and phrases, segment labels, QA results, and more. Specific information about each item can be found by hovering over the eye next to the option. Let's take a look how this works and filter our segment list to only show segments with a green status. After clicking Search, the filtration takes immediate effect and only those segments marked with a green status are shown. As previously discussed, you could now do a batch action on these filtered statuses. To return to the full list of segments, just click on the X in the power search bar to clear the filtration. You can search and filter using as many or as few of these options as you desire. Once again, begin by opening the Custom Filtration menu and select each of your parameters. Let's show only segments with a red status, and from those, only ones with a comment. Once again, when we've finished setting the desired filtration, we only need to click Search. The system only found one segment that met both of our filtration parameters. If you find yourself needing to search for the same specific set of filtrations time and time again, you do have the ability to save these as a profile for easier access later. Simply set your desired filtration guidelines, remember you can set as many or as few as needed, and click on Save Profile. A preset profile name will appear that you can change to your own specification or leave as is. To save the profile, click on the check mark. To use this profile as a filtration option, open the Custom Filtration menu and click on Load Profile found on the very bottom of the drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, choose the desired profile you wish to use. Use the trash can icon to delete a no longer needed search profile or the star to mark it as a favorite. Just as before, click Search to use this profile to filter the available segments. You can save as many filtration profiles as you want, making it easier to search for exactly what you want to see at any time.